Just in case you don't know, we are Lucy and Mark, and we are currently in Senegal with Tubi, our Korean van.
Okay, good morning guys. We are heading to do the Delta tour. We are gonna see that there's a boat. There's a boat for us, and you know we can do the tour today. If it's not, but it would be an adventure, right?
Today we are heading to the world-famous Saloum Delta. The Saloum Delta is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site where fishing and oyster gathering in the vast mangroves continues to support the local residents. But before we can explore this amazing delta, we first must get our hands on a boat.
Guys, we got onto the boat and then hope that we can find a boat, but it's quite busy, it's a small place. Yeah, it's crazy, right? 야, 바다 너무 더럽다. 쓰레기 너무 많은데? 오! 밟을 뻔했네. 와우. 이런 보트를 타고 가는 거였어? 그냥 진짜 완전 많은데? Wow, how we can negotiate?
Oh, we don't have to go on now? Okay. We're still working on the price? Yeah. Alright. Thank you. Okay, careful. You want a hand or are you good?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it.
Okay.
It looks a bit...
Yeah. This one's pretty clean compared to some of the fishing boats that we saw, right? You ready for the adventure?
Yeah!
Ready for an adventure! We're getting blown back in, guys. We're getting blown back in. Push on it. Push on it. Yeah. Very difficult.
Attention. Wow. Yeah.
Here we go, guys. We are going. Oh yeah, that's a nice picture. How you feeling?
Good. Yeah, c'est bon.
Oh wow, yeah, right there. Yep, between us and the boat. There they are. They're right next to us, guys.
얼굴을 보았습니다, 여러분. 여기 너무너무 예뻐. 그 예전에 그 여행사를 봤었을 때 맹그로브 나무에서 굴을 채취하는 걸 봤었거든요. 그래서 그걸 보고 싶다 했는데 저기에서 굴도 자라고 망고도 있고 오렌지도 있다 그래요.
You can see all the oysters in there, huh? Look at all the oysters.
Oyster. Wow. Ah, it's gonna tow. Alright, you can get it. Okay, thank you. Bye. Mama, c'est bon.
This is a little bit sketchy, guys. Just watch your step and just expect to plunge in, I guess. You guys made it.
Yeah. Good. Hi, bonjour.
Go for it.
Champion.
Sadio Mane.
Let's see. Ooh! Oh, let's do it. Ooh, wow. Bonjour. 아, 그거다. 쑥 같은 거다. I think we are the tourist spot for them. Because I guess like the tourist doesn't come, right? 보통 다들 돈 달라고 막 할 텐데 그러지도 않아. Steaming. You can see. Yeah. No. Okay. No, I'm good. No, thank you.
Pour moi, merci.
Merci. Do you wanna try? They're drying like this, huh?
Yeah.
So they don't eat raw? They only steam?
Yeah. They steam it to get rid of the parasites, as I understood. And then they open it, they put it here, and then they dry it. Do you want to try?
No. Bonjour. Good girl. It's hot. I'm hot.
Wow.
You got the seahorses too. We don't know how long that fish has been dead for. They got it.
Here we go.
그 장난의 와이프인데 내 두 번째 와이프.
Now we just need to light a fire. Yeah, Moroccan barbecue. Smell the smoked fish.
내로 결혼하지 않는다 어떻게 할래? 저 아저씨가 바바카가.
He better give me a lot of cows for you.
뭐라고 하고 있는 주고 싶나? 스모크에서 드라이한 거지? 와우. Oh wow. Smells good.
Yeah, it looks good, right?
Oh, here is this one. This is the place they smoke the fish, dump it, and the huge fires are coming out here.
Oh, you can still feel some
Feel the
heat coming
heat.
out of here.
Yeah, and then they dry up there. 신기하지? 야, 이거 TV에서만 보다가 보니까 신기하다.
So after they smoke them, they put them down here to dry a bit first.
그 다음에 나중에
Then
스킨을
they take
뽑아.
off the skin and stuff.
Burkina Faso,
Burkina Faso.
Mali,
Oui, oui.
bien à l'intérieur du pays.
Can I try one?
Ouais.
Oui?
아 진짜?
Let me try.
어때? 나도.
It's like cracker.
아 진짜?
So great.
Really cracker. It's good. Bonjour. I want to try one more time. Can I try by?
Ils vont faire. Viens, viens. Viens.
Right here.
Viens ici.
Oh wow. 사실 대가리 따고,
타.
꼬리 떼고,
빼고.
and then the side 떼고.
빼고.
Good?
Yes.
We?
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
ah, nice. 근데 여기는 진짜 배가 안 뜨면 오긴 진짜 힘들겠어, 맞지?
Interesting part of today was it was chaos at the fishing loop.
나 그렇게 될지 생각할지 못했. 나는 처음에 이렇게 가면 이제 그 필리핀이나 타일랜드 가면은 태국 가면 이제 그 진짜로 생업을 하는 사람이 있고 이제 그 투어를 하는 사람이 따로 있잖아. 근데 진짜 완전 생선을 잡고 나오는 배에 타야 된다 생각하니까 이거 약간 신선한데 내가 생각했던 거랑 다른데 이랬는데.
Anyways, what did you think of the tour?
난 재밌었다. 왜냐면 I want to see the real people, and then Babaka, he knows this area. He lives right one of the island, and they're pure naive, you know. They don't ask so much things you see in the tourist area. 그래서 나는 이게 더 좋았던 것 같아. 이렇게 진짜 애기들 막 와가지고 뭐 달라도 아니고 우리가 신기한 거야. 그게 난 너무 좋아. 호기심으로 가득 찬 그 똘망똘망한 눈을 보니까 귀여울 수밖에 없지. 그리고 수라바이 됐다 1.
Yeah.
오늘 투어는 성공이다. 그래서 좀 좋았다. 물론 수분이야 좀 약간 봤으면 좋겠지만.
Cámara.
We know now our physical limit, huh? That fish is just on the sun. Good, yeah. Hello? Marie. Bonjour, ça va? Oh, wife. And then you want to do second husband. Don't worry, I have so many husbands now.
They have 11 kids.
Oh, 11, baby. Oh, wow. Busy man. Huh? Busy man.